guys, so we have a call of a noise I'm going to. The lady hears a noise. She's got it on her video from overnight. I guess it's making a clanking noise or something at her supply near her bed. We'll see what it is when we get there. We'll see what it is. Morning, guys. What's going on? Today's Friday, December 2nd, 2022. I'm going to try to film some of my calls today. I have little things to do like Aquastat relay. I don't know. We'll go through whatever I can get on video. Hope all is well. Enjoy your weekend. I think it's going to rain in New York tomorrow, but today's gorgeous out. But let's see what's going on. This call is literally to put in a fan capacitor. I guess somebody was here on a maintenance and said it was failing, so we'll install it and test the other one. So this is a gold maintenance customer, so even if the capacitor is a little off, they get like a $2,000 credit a year. So sometimes they'll write it up even if it's not that bad, but let's test it anyway. I'll wait till my fan kicks on and then I'll shut it down just to go through the operations. Ten microfarads. Discharge. 7.5, and then the 2.5 will make the 10 on these Amrad's turbo capacitor. And then just one wire to common, one wire to either the 7.5 or the 2.5 because it's jumped. No, it's brand new. The air conditioning is, I don't know. The furnace is 20, model serial number 2007, but this is the AC is 2022. That's good. That was just a quick, simple capacitor. Let's go see what the next call brings us. You guys in the trades know what a parts changer is. It's usually somebody who doesn't diagnose it, just change parts. That's what I feel like today, but it's in a different context. I have to go change a condensate pump and a Aquastat relay or hydrostat, it says on it. But I guess somebody else wrote that up the other day. Let's go see what that is all about. Nice unit. Let's open it up. Power's off up there. and disconnect. Not replacing this because they gave me this hydrostat, which is the wrong part for this. But I am going to do the transformer and that condensate pump over there. First this, pull these out right here, swapped it to reverse the orientation. So my discharge here and my brake is here. Zip tie right here. Old digger. Alright guys, so that was just a quick transformer condensate pump. We're going back on Monday with that Aquastat. And let's see what's next. So we have a call of a noise I'm going to. The lady hears a noise. She's got it on her video from overnight. I guess it's making a clanking noise or something at her supply near her bed. We'll see what it is when we get there. See what it is. So this lady has a noise coming out of her supply, and I was here the other day. I don't think I filmed it. I couldn't figure it out. I adjusted all the burners and because we couldn't duplicate it. But she went to sleep, and during the middle of the night she would hear it start to clank. So I'm gonna go inside and watch the video that she took and then see if we can't diagnose why it's happening. Let's try to duplicate it now also.
Yeah, I turned the heat down.
Okay. But and that's the one in your bedroom?
I tried to do a bunch of rooms.
Okay, can we turn the heat up?
In the classes in my day. No, you were not.
Settings. To make our heating on, we want 7 off and 8 off to put it to high. Okay, so what we have here is 8 on and 7 off. If you could see that. And we're going to adjust it. 7 and 8 both off. Now 7 and 8 are off. Again. 7 off, 8 off.
her and tell her, you know, there's bad stuff going on in your neighborhood. Be careful. I hear it on the police radio.
Speed did not solve it. So we're gonna put the fan speed back to on, which is the normal fan speed, because that did not solve the problem. And if you could see here, the PVC, this retracts when the fan's too high. We don't want that banging either. So this was done for that reason at one time. Behind here, we have it like that too. So we put the fan speed back, and now what I'm gonna do, I hear the noise in here, in the draft inducer. So I'm gonna pull it apart and see if there's not a leaf or something making the noise, because you could hear it very loud when you put your ear to the exhaust. Not at all. Put my vacuum there and check in here with my light. Gonna put the vacuum here in the exhaust and see. Spin this wheel manually, and I don't think the phone's gonna pick it up, but let's see. So I'm able to hear a noise like a ticking, which is an indicator that the plastic inside the inducer is starting to wear. What's that right there? No, that's just a mark.
You know, I mean, I know everybody's competent and everything, but it's like...
Absolutely. Okay, so... So with this call, I ended up pulling the draft inducer because at the exhaust I heard a pronounced like ticking noise. I don't know if I showed it on camera, but from the back of the wheel it looks like there was a piece of plastic that was off, so it could have been lodged in the wheel and making the noise. However, when I put the draft inducer back on, I still heard the noise. This is a gold customer, so they get, I think, like $500 off of the part. So whatever the part is, it won't be, because we checked the manual dampers, we checked the ductwork, we checked every supply register, because they're older. But again, she doesn't hear it in the summer, she only hears it in the winter. With AC, you're not running a draft inducer. I checked the outside exhaust, which is the dual exhaust and intake, and there's no leaves there, there's nothing rattling. Again, more of a call that you can't duplicate the issue, or you're hearing it but you can't find the issue. I went through this house 2 hours the other day and a full hour today. The other day I pulled all the burners and checked the same thing, and then she said when she hears the noise she was going to make a video to go ahead and duplicate it. When I got here, I did hear the noise on camera. I think I showed it. But so we're going to go ahead and replace the draft inducer assembly and move on from there. By the way, I feel that we have the best customers, this company that I work for, because I got a care package. So I have water, crackers, and a beautiful Happy Holidays lotto ticket. 500,000. Be nice to win, but that's okay. The gesture's awesome. Guys, I'm going to change a thermostat. I guess the customer has a Nest thermostat. Go slam that on the wall. Get lunch first though. We'll grab a hamburger at Wendy's or something. Okay, good.
Yeah, and I saw that. I just heard Megan.
How you doing?
There might have been another voice.
I'm Paul. Nice to meet you. How you guys? Third generation. Beautiful. That's good.
Yeah. It doesn't say it here, but,
No, but it is.
The salesman,
The SKU
we
will
looked
tell
it
you.
up
Good.
with the model number, and it said third generation. Yeah, that's
Good.
what I wanted to make sure. So. so much. Okay, you too, bye.
The back plate this way because the paint
Right.
is going this way. It's a lot nicer.
If it'll work.
Yeah. U.S.
591.
North America.
You can do that.
Yeah, absolutely you can.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Okay. Oh, okay.
It'll start in a minute.
Yeah. Yeah, there it goes.
And then we're just going to do a system test, and then we'll, your return's pulling in air right there. We'll just go like that.
Because I saw two.
Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good weekend. Just a couple jobs today I thought I'd show. Like I said, it's like a parts changer. Take care. Thank you.